Good morning, welcome back to a new video. I am going to share today what I eat in a day. My name is Sanne for anyone new here on the channel. I personally love watching these type of videos for others because I'm just always so intrigued what's in people's fridge, what people eat. Always gives me a lot of meal inspo. Today is definitely a little bit of a different what I eat in a day because I am following along on the 30-day high protein meal plan for Soulsing Body. For anyone new here, Soulsing Body is my fitness and nutrition app. Twice a year we launch kind of a big program and big challenge to really kind of either get back into your routine, to hit through a plateau, and to really like tune in. A meal plan, you guys, it takes away so much of the work of thinking what to eat, what to cook, and all of that. This meal plan I actually created with a registered dietitian, so we really make sure that all the meals are very balanced. The whole meal plan is actually available on the app for all the members, but also we're selling it as an ebook separate. So if you're like, hey, I can't do a membership, I just want to get the meals and I want to follow along on the meal plan, I will link everything down below. For me, it was really important to do a high protein meal plan because we're doing this together with a 30-day Power Pilates program, which is incorporating a lot more weights into our Pilates. So the workouts are very challenging and it's important to fuel your body. I feel I've always been so transparent here on my channel that I have been working on hormone imbalances. So I've been really curating this meal plan with 30 grams of protein per meal, enough fiber for the day, healthy fats, just wholesome, delicious food. It's not wicked magic. It's really like under 30 minutes, everything is done. So I'm really excited to get into it. This menu today looks so bomb. We're gonna have a spring onion soft scramble. I'm gonna make my breakfast. I usually work out a little early in the morning, but today I actually need to get some work done before. So I'm gonna have my breakfast first. If you have breakfast before or after your workout, is very much like a personal preference. I feel some people have more energy when they have breakfast before working out, some people it feels better after, but I do always recommend, even though you work out in the morning, to always have like a little something in your stomach. Like, don't work out on an empty stomach, you guys. It's really not good for healthy or for female hormones. So have a little date with almond butter or a hard-boiled egg or a little piece of toast or something like that. For the extra protein, I'm gonna use these chicken breakfast sausages. I know in Europe it's sometimes hard to find turkey bacon and chicken sausage. I feel it's just not as much in the kind of breakfast culture. But what I would recommend, you can also do smoked salmon or just have some like grilled chicken or sliced chicken that you already buy in a pre-packaged. I love these. I'm gonna make a few in a row, so I'm gonna store them in the fridge. So for the rest of the week, it will be a little easier to make. Guys, I've obviously made this recipe before during recipe testing and I just forgot how good it is and how amazing it looks. It's like 5-star restaurant. I feel it has all the good parts. Spring onions, scrambled eggs, protein, chicken sausage protein, some greens for fiber, healthy fats, avocado, cottage cheese, sourdough bread. I toasted it with a little bit of olive oil so it makes it really nice and crispy. But this, you guys, chef's kiss. Wow, you guys, this is literally a 10 out of 10. Highly recommend toasting your sourdough with the olive oil because it's such a game changer. So good. Okay, just finished my workouts. Before lunch, I kind of want to make a quick little protein smoothie. Vanilla dates. It's kind of like a little dessert. I love it. It is so simple and so delicious. Some almond milk, banana, 1 date. I'm gonna do some cinnamon, and then for protein, I use this one from Ritual. I love this one. I want to thank Ritual for sponsoring today's video. I have been using this for so long. It's one of the protein powders that actually does not upset my stomach. I feel a lot of protein powders can feel very uneasy. You kind of get bloated, but this feels really good. It is also sugar-free, artificial flavor-free, and made with organic peas out of the United States. And I also do a lot of heavy metal testing, which I find very important for my hormones. I'm gonna link the discount code down below. They ship to the United States and also to the UK. So let's make our smoothie. And my smoothie is done. It is so good, you guys. It combines two of my favorite things, smoothies and my date obsession. I feel this is like such a good little snack or for a little post-workout or something. And the meal plan that I'm following, I think it's around like 1,500 calories a day, but you do need to kind of think about that. You always have like drinks come, like lattes or cappuccinos or maybe some snacks. I love doing a little smoothie as a snack and stuff, so then you should come out to like probably around 2,200 or stuff. Not that I count the calories, but I just want to mention this around the meal plan. If you're like, oh wow, it's really not a lot of food or it's like not enough, we want to give space to like add on some like snacks and things like that. So that's why. Anyway, this is delicious. I'm gonna sip on this. I am gonna get some work done today and then I'll see you guys for lunch. Okay, it is lunchtime. We're gonna make some cold soba noodle salad with shrimp. This is a cook once, eat twice recipe, which basically means we're making a double portion and then putting the rest in the fridge for tomorrow or like as a leftover meal. It's kind of a meal prep in one. Soba noodles is like one of my favorite things to eat whenever we're in Japan. Like I love it so much. And you can kind of eat them cold or hot. I prefer cold, even in the winter. I don't know why, you just like dip it in a sauce and it's like so good. It is usually gluten-free. Just check the back of your package because sometimes they add some like wheat noodles in there, but most of them should be gluten-free. They're also really high in fiber and that makes it such a good base for like a salad or for like a meal prep and stuff. So let's get started. Here we got all the ingredients. I already meal prepped this. We got some shrimp, edamame, some salmon, what am I saying, ginger, and then green onions and carrots. So let's prep this all quickly. Look how good this bowl is. Edamame for protein, some carrots, soba noodles, green onions, and then on top we'll add some more herbs and stuff. But this looks amazing. We got the big bowl ready. We're gonna do a little taste test. So yum. I could probably add a little bit more ginger and stuff to the sauce. Honestly, you can make so many different sauces or different veggies that you have, like add like mango or maybe like avocado would make it like really nice and creamy. Or even if you don't like shrimp, like change the protein. I feel this is like one of those meals that you can like make a lot of versions of, but it is really, really good. I think from all noodles, like soba is probably my favorite. It's also probably the most nutritious of all of them, but it is so good. I feel a lot of people think that when they are going to start to eat healthy, they need to compromise on flavor. And I truly feel that if you make delicious meals and make them nourishing and colorful, I feel often color comes with a lot of like flavor and stuff. Honestly, these meals are so satisfying and they're so good. Like I think even for someone who doesn't like to eat healthy would enjoy these type of meals, and it's just about like being creative with it. And I even love to switch up different cuisines. Like this is a little bit more Asian inspired. I think tonight we have steak, which is a little bit more Mediterranean, and this way you kind of keep it fun and exciting, and it doesn't feel like, oh, I like have to eat healthy or something. Like you actually have such amazing delicious meals right now. So I'm gonna eat some soba and I will see you soon. Okay, the steak bowl. So we're gonna keep it super simple with steak and then a lot of like veggies and stuff. Just pop it in the air fryer. Also, you can do it in the oven, but I just have all my ingredients ready. So let's make some dinner. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna make some steak. I completely understand if making steak at home feels very intimidating, because sometimes if you even live in a small space, and I feel that sometimes in my apartment, like it can kind of like smell a lot, or if you just feel like don't really comfortable in the pan, I would suggest just doing ground beef or do a burger. I feel that's a really good substitution here. Obviously, you can also do chicken or another protein, but that would kind of be my suggestion if you just feel not comfortable with doing a steak at home, and I get it. And it's actually so easy, which is so funny because I feel a lot of people think it is really hard. I got it out of the fridge 30 minutes ago. It kind of needs that rest period before cooking it to get kind of to room temp. Now I'm gonna put a lot of salt on it. A chef once told me always do 40% more salt than you actually think, so quite a lot, because when you like cook it, it will really kind of disappear. So steak is done. Let's put in the pan. Dinner is ready. So we got some veggies, hummus, steak, and then some potatoes and some salad with it. So delicious. Okay, I'm gonna have a little sweet treat. This is date better. It's like a chocolate covered date. These are literally my favorite, you guys. I should probably also not eat this in the bed, but so good. I feel I always need something sweet after every meal, but especially after dinner. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you enjoyed the what I eat in a day. I will link the ebook down below. I hope you guys enjoyed all the recipes. Also, when you were recreating them, tag me, because I always love seeing all the recreations. I'll see you guys very soon.